Okay, in the figure below, AB is greater than BC. If we assume that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle C, it follows that AB is equal to BC. This contradicts the given statement that AB is greater than BC. What conclusion can be drawn from this contradiction? Okay, so first we know that AB, so we know that AB is greater than BC. We assume that measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle C. So if we assume that this angle is congruent to that angle, it follows, it says, that the angle or the side that's across from this angle is going to be congruent to the side across from this angle. And this is just leading back to isosceles triangle. So it follows that AB is congruent to BC. So segment AB is congruent to BC. And this is what it was talking about still. So now it says that this contradicts the given statement. So this part right here contradicts this part. AB contradicted. Well, we already knew that AB is greater than BC. If I assume that these angles are going to be congruent, then I can also say that these sides are congruent, and it's really this part right here. AB is not equal to BC. We know that it is greater than BC. So, but what can I say about this then? Because here, when I was able to go for, if I was assuming this about the angles, then what can I say about it? So, the contradiction then leads to something else. What can we say about measure of angle A, the measure of angle A, and the measure of angle C? Well, we know that AB is greater than BC. So if AB is greater than BC, that means that this side right here, so if this one is different, then this side right here that's across from AB has to be different from this side over here. Or this angle, sorry, this angle over here. So AB, the angle across from that is C. So C has to be greater than A since the sides are greater. So AB, I knew that that was talking about angle C, and BC is talking about angle A. So from the contradiction, I can say that measure of angle A has to be less than the measure of angle C. Or if you need to rewrite this, measure of angle C is greater than measure of angle A. That way you can see how AB lines up with measure of angle C, BC, measure of angle A.